If you're ready to boost your confidence in Japanese, Briston's Japanese conversational phrase flashcards are the perfect way to enhance your understanding and pronunciation of common Japanese phrases. This deck includes 75 glossy, durable flashcards, each with a beginner phrase that is sure to help you learn the basics of Japanese conversation. The phrase will be given in English on one side and then translated into both hiragana and katakana on the other, complete with a pronunciation guide. The deck features 5 color-coded categories and has been expertly designed by linguists, native speakers, and educators to ensure efficacy and ease of use for learners. These flashcards are perfect for individual use, tutoring sessions, and classroom and homeschooling environments. They also make a wonderful gift for young people excited about jumping into their Japanese language journey. Start yours today with Briston's Japanese conversational phrase flashcards. Briston, inspiring learning through engaging and effective tools.